Good morning, people. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. It's been a while since I've done any electrical unboxing on my channel. I believe the last thing I unboxed was a wireless microphone for DSLR camera, a Boyer wireless microphone. Well, today I'm going to be upgrading because I'm upgrading from iPhone 7 Plus to my brand new iPhone 8 Plus. This is only going to be an unboxing. In the description section below, you will see the difference between the iPhone 7 Plus and the iPhone 8 Plus. I didn't go for the iPhone 10 because of personal choice. I didn't like it. The iPhone 8 Plus retails at about 1100 US as we speak, 2018 July. So without any further ado, let's get unboxing. So that's my iPhone 7 Plus. Let me open this real quick. And I ordered the space gray, similar to my iPhone 7 Plus. So get that out of the way. It's about the same size as the 7 Plus. So as you can see, comes in a, well, I think the gray one comes in a gray box. I'm not sure about the white ones. And nothing. I would imagine this is all the stuff that normally comes with your average Apple iPhone. That's your pin to get out your SIM card tray, and yeah, so that's that. And without any further ado, this is the actual iPhone 8 Plus. Very similar to the 7 Plus. If I put them together, they are about the same length, width, everything. The iPhone 8 Plus, from my eyes, seem to be maybe slightly thicker, but not major thick, but that could just be my eyes. The 7 Plus that I have is more sleek. The grayscale doesn't really have the sheen that the 7 Plus has. I was told that the 8 Plus has a glass back, where a lot of people might or might not be happy with it. But the beauty is it has a dual reverse camera, just like the 7 Plus. And a lot of features. Like I say, I'll put the difference between the phones on the description of this video and see what you guys think of it. I'll try to turn it on real quick just in case there is some battery power in it. Yeah, but as you see, it needs charging. Okay, so 7 Plus, 8 Plus. They don't look that extremely different. Headphones, iPhone stayed with this jacking system, which well, let me double check to make sure. Yep, they stayed with, this is a headphone system. It's unlike your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. This they brought out with the 7 Plus or the 7s, I'm not sure. But considering that I have a 7 Plus, I've been working with this adapter for a while. So this actually goes in your charging dock, and that actually represents the adapter for a normal headphone to go inside of. And that's it. Charger, headphone adapter, iPhone 7, iPhone 8 Plus, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Hope you enjoyed the comparison. And yeah, until next time. Peace.